the Pod Network Entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, our very special musical guest, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Wow, the megastar. Wow.
The megastar.
Wow.
High school life, oh my high school life, every memory kay ganda. Not high school days, oh my high school days are exciting kay saya. Not there are times may problema ka kung ang homework left undone.
What is this
Pray
song?
ka lang. It's her first song! Her first hit ever! Her first
Which
song ever,
came
ever,
out in
ever.
the 70s?
I guess 70s.
Oh,
or-
that makes sense, I guess.
Uh,
Like, I
as
know
in
her
very-
as an
as in-
actress.
Ay, hindi,
As an
hindi.
actor,
Like,
yeah.
before she became the megastar, she
Right.
was this, ano nga ba? Ano niya nun? Parang,
Yung genre
hindi pa siya, or artista na ba siya? Kasi she was really
I'm not
young.
sure.
She was
Okay.
really young then. Kaya nga, hello, as in high school life, siguro high school pa lang siya nun. Tapos, yun, it was like, is it not even remotely familiar
No,
to you?
I've
Maybe it's the way I'm
never-
singing it. Pero, it was the
Well-
quintessential high school
Well, to be
song
fair,
in
I
the
also
Philippines.
don't know of any Sharon Cuneta song. Because I know her as an actor.
Not
Unless
even
the
the
what's her
mga,
biggest song? Baka I just don't know that it's her. But like, what's her biggest song?
yung
Let me see.
yung, kahit
Mr.
lang,
DJ. Ayan, alam ko yung Mr.
yan ang
DJ.
magkakasabay. Yun, High School Life and Mr. DJ, those are like the same, ano. Hindi, ito
it's
yung
called
biggest,
High School.
high school
Yun ba
pala,
yan?
kala ko high school life, oo. Yung, ano to, kahit
Kahit
anong
maputi
ocean, I can swim to reach you. Kahit ilang thorns, I will step on.
Tagalabang na ba siya nito? Lumipat na siya.
Yeah, basta yun yung, kahit ilang thorns, I will step on to go to you. Kahit
hindi
ilang
Starbucks
ocean.
yung kape natin.
Hindi, alam mo yun, yung kahit ilang ocean, aking isa-swim, kahit ilang mountains, aking ika-climb. Hindi mo alam yun?
Kahit yung food court natin, hindi the grid.
Hindi,
Okay
ano
lang,
title
kakain
nun?
pa rin. I
Yung-
don't know. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, is that the one?
Hindi, yung parang, ang aking tatawirin, higit pa riyan.
Yeah.
No.
No,
Basta
really
ganun.
not ringing any
Basta like,
bells.
she's telling you all the things that she's going to do. Parang, I will eat bubog just to have a date with you. I will cross any
Speaking
mountain.
Oh, ito. Hypothetical lang.
Oh, sige, sige.
Okay, let's just say that anybody is on the table. Anybody is on the table. You can have a date with them. Anyone. Regardless of, status in life or whatever. Pero kailangan mo kumain ng bubog ng 2 minutes. As in, nguya talaga.
As in,
Tapos mag-heal ka, tapos saka kayo magde-date, ganun. Would you, for anyone at all?
can I chew very slowly? Like,
Basta mag-chew ka pa rin.
oh, kaya ko. And
Sino?
you can call me Kim Chu. Kasi ngumunguya ako ng bubog.
Akala ko, kaya Kim Chu kasi.
Yun din. Yun din.
Naku, lakas talaga.
Uy, hindi.
Welcome.
Ano ko I
Mm.
know my place. I know when I've been beaten. As if
Was
I would,
was it even a competition to begin with?
malay mo. Who knows? Diba?
Was
In my
there?
fantasy, I had a chance.
Okay, but welcome to Only Fun. His name is Chico Garcia.
And his name is Gino Killiamore. All right, so the reason we're talking about high school life is we're doing something that, this really triggers me.
Uh-huh.
When you
That's
said,
why I
alam mo,
wanted to watch this. This is why I
matagal ko na
wanted to
tong
watch this.
matagal ko na tong nakikita, and
Ah.
I've actually heard a lot of people tell me that I should watch this K-drama, but
Yeah.
after reading the synopsis, I was like, okay, pass, easy pass for me, because this is not my. Ito yung usually pag nakita ko ganito yung theme nung K-dramas, kiniskip ko. We're
Right.
talking of course about Weak Hero.
Yes. Okay. When I saw the synopsis, I was like, okay lang. And then I saw the teaser, and it triggered some really great memories. Because ball pens
Baliktad
were my
tayo.
friend.
Yes. Sobrang, alam mo, like after watching the first episode, sobrang ikaw yung nakikita ko. Okay, so basically,
It
The
evened
reason-
out the playing field.
the reason this is so triggering to me is number one, it's about high school. And number
Bullying,
two,
high
it's about
school,
bullying. So,
Yeah.
lahat ng ayoko, kasi di ba even naman, kunyari, okay, let's say hindi naman high school. In general, pag yung theme ng K-drama, yung parang revenge or come
Right.
yung
You don't like
aapihin mo na
revenge
yung
porn.
bida. I super don't. Remember like,
Yeah.
ano ba yung Taxi Driver or something?
Yes, yes,
Yung
Taxi
parang,
Driver.
yung ipinapunish nila yung mga bully.
Yeah,
Yung ano
Taxi
sila,
Driver.
taxi company, pero
Or Glory.
Or Glory, yes.
Mm.
I've never finished those. I mean, to be honest, I liked what I've seen.
Yeah, I know you
a couple
like
of
Glory.
episodes. Pero like, hindi ko siya talaga matagalan pag ganon.
You're
So
just
when-
not a vengeful person.
Not
Or you
that.
don't-
I mean, maybe I am, pero yung to get to
It's
the
too
vengeance
real when you
part,
see it.
parang minsan hindi ako satisfied. Remember yung yung parang yung sobrang pumatay nung whatever niya, tapos naging henchman siya, yung girl. Your Name? My Name?
Your Name?
Yeah.
No, Your Name is the anime.
No, My
Um,
Name. My Name.
My Name. Yeah. Si,
Diba?
si
Yung parang,
Hansohi.
yung parang
Si Hansohi.
nag-undercover siya dun sa gusto niyang patayin na
In-infiltrate niya yung organization nung
yung crime organization.
na pumatay sa parents niya or
O
something.
parents niya or something, 'di ba? Parang you know, yeah, like sobrang bad nung bad guy.
Yeah.
And same thing with Alchemy of Souls. For me,
Oh,
the
right,
worst
yeah.
villain ever.
Mhm.
That sorcerer na right-hand man na actually evil. Alam mo yung by the time dumating yung come-uppance nila and they get the worst death. Alam mo yung tipong like, yung hindi ako
Yeah.
satisfied kasi
So it's
napakagaling
not
nilang
enough for
villain.
you?
It's not enough. Like minsan yung or yung by the time dumating yung come-uppance nung bad guy, parang I suffered too much na hindi na tatabunan nung
Nothing
victory.
quenches your
like,
thirst for revenge.
naiinis pa rin ako. Yung kumbaga, yung parang masyadong nakakagigil yung bad guy.
Although to be fair,
Na
di ba
it's
that's what
not
they said
enough.
naman about vengeance na supposedly, like even when you get it, it's still not gonna make you feel any better. You know, like, di ba even Batman talks about this all the time.
Yes,
Parang he's all about
yes.
vengeance and revenge, and then
Kaya
only
diba
to
hindi siya
realize...
pumapatay? Kaya hindi siya pumapatay, di ba?
Tapos parang only to realize na eventually pala, no matter what kind of revenge you get, like, it's never satisfying. It's never gonna fill the void that was left by whoever was taken away from you or whatever, you know, horrors the people that inflicted it upon you did. So,
The only thing that makes me parang like, because I've only watched one episode.
okay.
And to be honest, it's not a sure no for me. Parang
Okay.
there's a part of me that wants to go on.
Oh, you
Mainly
need-
because of the reason ba't naaalala kita nung pinanood ko to. Kasi nga usually, yung mga bida, aping. Tapos hindi sila nagpa-fight back.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, backgrounder. Quick ano lang to quick ano
Yeah.
lang. So, the usual, your typical K-drama bully
Yeah.
series. Pero
Yung
by the
malala
first,
yung bullying.
malala yung bullying. Yung ano
Ah.
na nga, yung minsan nga comical na, yung OA na, hindi na siya
Oo.
realistic.
Tsaka parang wala bang teacher sa school na to?
Wala
Alam
bang
mo-
teacher, tsaka ba't ang tatanga naman itong mga adults na to. But by the end of the first episode, so I'm pretty sure this is not even, you know, a spoiler because it's the first
Yeah.
episode. By the first episode, yung bida, nag-amok na. Like, meron na siyang dalang ballpen.
Pumitik na.
As in, sinaksak niya yung kamay nung isa, tapos halos binugbog niya until...
Tapos yung binalot niya ng kortina yung ulo.
Binalot niya ng kortina yung leeg, kumuha ng malaking libro. Sinapak yung mukha nung... And I kid you not, Gino, I'm telling you, I have the makers of the Joker. Kasi talagang I could snap. Kasi talaga I can feel the anger bubbling inside of me.
Uh-huh.
Alam mo ba nung yung ending nung episode 1, nung ginaganon niya yung libro, I caught myself. I literally had an out of body
medyo may gigil ka na.
Hindi, anong medyo? Nakita ko yung sarili ko. Hawak ko yung isang kamay ko, hawak ko yung iPad, di ba? Yung isang kamay ko, I realized I was going
You put yourself in their dude, this is exactly
I was
why
in his shoes.
This is why I wanted you to watch it. Yeah, no, kasi alam mo yung parang, okay, again, for people who have ever experienced bullying, it's not something that, like, you know, while I'm over it, I'll never forget it. Alam mo yung ganun, na parang, it doesn't affect me anymore, or maybe it does, but on a more subconscious level, maybe with how you are generally. And alam mo, if I see my bullies now, I'm actually okay with them. I know that there are people who are my age that are still not okay with their bullies, and that's fine. You know, they process their own traumas differently, I guess. But ako, I'm okay with them. But I'll never forget what happened when it happened. Alam mo yung gano'n, na parang, yes, I'm over it. And so, whenever I see shows like this, kasi usually, diba, whenever, at least for K-dramas, it's very rare na, or usually yung formula is binuli sila.
Yeah.
Tapos tumanda sila, tapos naging sobrang either sobrang successful nila, or sobrang batak nila, or sobrang naging professional MMA fighter. Alam mo yung mga ganun na parang, okay, that doesn't happen to everyone. What I really like about Weak Hero is it is exactly what it is. He's a weak hero. Na kumbaga parang, he didn't get ultra buff. He didn't become like a fantastic fighter. He just used what he had. Which in his case here is he's super analytical. Na parang before he even gets into a fight, nag-Sherlock Holmes siya. Diba, remember that Sherlock Holmes, Robert Downey, na strike to the right ear will discombobulate him. And then while he's discombobulated, I'm gonna pick up something with my left hand, get a book, hit him in the left temple. Yung mga ganon. So parang medyo ganon yung effect nitong bida sa Weak Hero. So that's what I really liked about it. Na parang, and again, a lot of people will probably say, yeah, but like, you know, his reaction to it is obviously ultra violent. Pero, alam mo yung, there's a part of you who's like, well, they kind of deserved it. You know what I mean? Kasi he doesn't do it because he's power tripping. He's not doing it. It's always as a response to something that was done to him. Na parang, inuupakan niyo ako, so sasaksakin kita. Alam mo yung ganun? Yung parang,
sinabi ko na sa inyo, tigilan niyo ako eh. Tapos,
and he's like, he's a quiet guy na he just wants to study.
Yeah. Tsaka yung parang sa akin yung, all this in episode 1 no spoilers.
Yeah.
Sa akin lang parang like, sige lang, yung usual mga api-api nyo sa akin, sige. Tinira nyo yung what's special to me, which is my grades.
Diba?
Alam mo ba? You know how
bad I felt like you could resonate with it. I'm like,
I can't even explain it to you. Alam mo ba how much this triggers me?
Mm-hmm.
Yung mga usual na binubugbog siya or whatever, napapanood ko yun.
Okay lang.
Nung tinask na nila yung isang guy to put this like fentanyl patch on his neck para hindi niya masagutan yung exam niya. Alam mo ba yung part na yon? Hindi. I had to forward it. I'm not even joking.
Hindi mo kaya.
I'm not even joking, Gino. I'm telling you. Like,
well, needless to say, pinanood ko siya. Kasi hindi naman ako affected.
Sobra ko siyang siniseryoso. Hindi kasi sa akin yung parang like, ay mga gago kayo. Like, wag yung grades niya. Ito na lang yung parang like nagpapakita na siya with everything. Ito na nga lang yung pinangahawakan niya, and ito na nga yung parang to get away from you guys, he will study hard to become the successful guy in the future. Alam mo, gumawa ako ng ibang tangential story outside of the actual story. Pero hindi ko siya mapanood. So, by the time I forwarded it, nandun na siya sa yung parang malapit na siya magwala. Which was the first scene. Parang kinontinue lang niya. So,
oh man.
That was
I-
tapos yun na, nung binubugbog na niya yung mga bad guys. Nakaka-clench yung
Ramdam mo
fist
yung,
ko. Ramdam ko talaga yung gigil.
that is why it's, for me, that's why it's so good. Because it
But I don't
actually,
enjoy it. I
I
don't
get
enjoy
it. I get it. Well, it's kind of like, you know how like White Lotus, na parang you're uneasy the entire time you're watching it. This has a similar effect for me. Maybe not unease. That's not the feeling that I would go for. Pero it has this ability of putting you into the shoes of the characters. And I say this, despite the fact that it might dissuade you from watching it. I mean you, Chico. But it gets worse. Like it actually gets worse.
Did you finish it?
I finished it. I finished it in 2 days. Because it's something that really like spoke to me. Alam mo yun, kasi parang it's also I guess a fantasy of the downtrodden. Na alam mo yung parang I've always thought of like, and sometimes it happens but sometimes it didn't also. I mean, medyo palaban naman ako in terms of ano. Pero alam mo yung, you just fantasize about like, you know, stepping up to your bullies and doing something about it. Again, maybe his reaction was overreaction. But still, alam mo yung parang just seeing him.
Ng ballpen, Gino Boy.
I mean, di naman sila namatay.
Mamaya pag pinag-nood ko ito, makita mo na lang ako sa balita. DJ, nanaksak
ng ballpen.
Nainis sa bully.
Alam mo yung...
Hindi ko naman pwede, ikaw sabi mo, di ba, pag nakikita mo yung bully mo, you're fine. Yung parang like, you know, like, ako hindi pwede eh. Kasi, nakikita ko yung billboard nung kanyang campaign eh.
Oh!
True story!
Mahirap kalaban.
Pag sinakta ko ng ball,
may mga alipores.
Tumatakbo siya for elections eh.
Which just goes to show the kind of people you vote for. The kind of people who are running.
And malamang mananalo to. Nagulat na lang ako. Pagkita ko, oh my gosh.
Oh my God, wait lang.
See...
Before I forget, after this episode, sabihin mo sa akin kung sino.
Sige.
Okay
lang kasi
okay lang na.
Keep it. You can keep it because I never name names naman.
No mentions naman.
Dami naman tumatakbo, diba? So... But yes, true story. Basta, yeah.
You know what? I wouldn't be surprised. You know, to some degree, unfortunately, to be part of politics, you need to learn how to navigate.
Pero to be honest, let me just clear it. I was never hurt by my bully. Like physically. I was never physically hurt by I was never beat up. I was never punched. I was never even pushed or shoved. Never. Just to be fair to my bully. Okay? I don't want to be unfair.
So, puro emotional bullying lang.
Most of it is that. It's mostly verbal. Let's just say they would call me a certain word.
Wait lang. Were they right?
Yes.
Even if it's true, doesn't make it any less hurtful.
Yes. Well, now it's not so hurtful, but then it was. Now it's more like, and then what?
And then what? O ano ngayon?
You want to step into my room and prove it?
So wait, okay. So for you, your entire school life, you were never physically like...
Never. To be fair, kasi baka isipin ng mga tao kasi na like sobra akong... Hindi naman. It's more of... Okay, let me qualify it. Kasi sometimes when I relate it, di ba kahit nung tayo pa yung magka-board work, kahit kami pa nila Del, as early as then, I would always say, tell the story. So baka isipin ng tao, sobra naman akong
physically abused or whatever.
Never. To be honest, never. Nobody ever laid a finger on me. It's really more like ostracizing me, or
right? Yeah. Parang, which, to be fair, also sometimes it's actually worse. Alam mo yung parang
totoo. Diba kasi parang like nobody wants to talk to you.
Yeah. Plus, diba they say na parang not to say that you should resort to physical bullying na lang kasi that's better. But more of like physical bullying, while of course it's visible and it happens immediately, it also heals with time. Whereas the emotional verbal bullying stays on and kind of shapes the character that you become as you
Totoo.
grow older. Yeah.
You know, that's why a lot of people ask me the parang, how come you have like, you've been working like on radio for the longest time and you never seem to run out of stories,
Stuff to
of
talk about.
anecdotes, of stuff to talk about. Sabi ko kasi all my life, I've been quiet. I've been like an
Yeah.
observer. So I was
Observer.
just like watching everything, absorbing everything. I was never a player. I was just
Kumbaga, ano
a
ka?
spectator.
Voyeur of life. Ganun.
Oo, like seryoso. And it was because of that. Kasi nga,
Yeah.
parang, di ba they say one of the worst social controls in any society, regardless of culture, regardless of when it happened, like the era that it happened, one of the worst social controls / punishments is ostracism.
Yeah.
When you are ostracized, yung hello, the modern version of that is you can't sit with us.
Yeah.
You know, we're not going to talk to you. So can you
Right.
imagine? Nobody laid a finger on me, but if
Yeah.
this guy, the kumbaga, the Regina George of the mean boys in our case, if he would scream out that word to me, that's the signal for everybody else na
To stop talking to you, not interacting with
wag
you.
niyo siyang friend. Kasi siya kinukutya ko siya eh. And I'm the lead, I'm the alpha male here.
Yeah.
So if kinukutya ko siya, subukan nyo lang. Gawin yung friend yan. Edi isasama ko kayo sa... You know what I mean? So it's that.
Naisip ko,
Diba?
merong pageant. Kutya ng Pilipinas. Sino ang mananalo?
Every year.
Binibining Quezon City.
Sabi niya parang, sige, pero pag ginawa niyong kaibigan yan, you will, you will meet my
You're not
wrath.
gonna get to be friends with cool people like me.
Sabi naman ng mga friends ko parang, ay, girl, care namin.
Pero, I mean, I'm surprised, like, that you got through grade school and high school unscathed physically. Considering
Because
that you went to an all-boys school and like...
I don't know if it's this, pero ako, I attribute it to I think I mastered the art of being invisible.
Hiding.
Yun nga, kasi parang that's the difference, di ba? Dito sa Weak Hero, siya sumasagot siya ng pabalang. Pag nakita niya yung bully niya na nakaupo sa silya niya, lalapitan niya, sasabihin niya,
umalis ka dyan,
umalis ka dyan, that's my seat. Or, stop doing what you're doing. Oh, I was like Harry Potter with
please take your seat.
No. No. If nakita ko na siyang umuupo, pupunta na ako ng Tugigaraw. Di ba? or literally, yung kanyari pag yung sa cafeteria, so pag nakita ko na yan, usually yan, here's the thing pa, you know, I don't think I've ever encountered him on his own. Lagi siyang may posse.
It's always with the lackeys,
I swear, it's like in the K-dramas, they're always a group. Yung parang like, why is it like that? Diba? Yung parang lagi kang mayroong mga bodyguard na
they lose their power rin kasi pag nag-iisa lang
sila.
Kaya
But it's so weird. True story. Never ko yan and it usually, like he would never say it like to my face na kaming dalawa lang. It's always like, he would say it almost not to me, but more of like to his barkada.
Right. Parang
look at this loser. Parang ganito. Parang ganon. So, yeah, I mean like, when I see them already, malayo pa lang I would have this eagle eye, parang spider sense. Pag na ko na yung spider sense ko na nakitinggal, malapit na tong mga to.
I'm about to get bullied today. Let's get out of the way.
Totoo. I would like literally, pag ganito sila, palapit sila sa akin, I would take the farthest, ikot away, and like, I mastered the art of evasion. It's not so much na sumasagot ako or like I kept my head down. If they shouted whatever at me, I would pretend I didn't hear it. I just keep walking. You know what I mean? Like I disappeared and I completely disappeared. And I guess I kind of carried it. Kasi naman nung pagdating ko naman ng college, I have to say, I was in full bloom. Parang doon naman ako yung parang like, pwede naman pala ako magkaroon ng maraming friends and pwede naman pala ako maging popular.
You just have to
again.
look for your sort of
My
people.
tribe.
Kumbaga,
I just had to look for my tribe. And UP kasi was such a diverse community. Parang I was not even like considered strange. I wasn't even odd. I was actually parang more of the more regular folk compared to everyone around me. So, you know, I thrived in UP. Pero nung time na yon, talagang dala ko pa rin siya. Like when I was new in UP, I didn't want to talk to people.
And I'm pretty sure that that's the repercussions of being emotionally bullied. Na parang it shaped who you became in the first. For me naman kasi I was always like I was very much like weak hero guy. Na parang if you're gonna get in my way, like I'll put up a fight. You know what I mean? Like I won't actively look for you and be like, loko ka. Alam mo yung ganun? Like pero if I won't budge out of my like kunwari, if we're both walking at the same corridor and I'm going in a straight line and then you get in my way, I'm not gonna move to the side and, you know, just avoid you. Like I will still do my own, and that's probably why I got into like physical altercations. And well,
ako kasi I know talaga. I was more like
ultimately, even kasi when I got in trouble, when the situation would be explained, they would always be like, okay, gets namin kung bakit mo ginawa, but you still shouldn't have done it.
But you still shouldn't have done it.
Like,
which frustrates me in a lot of bully movies
Oh yeah,
yung parang
for sure.
like I always feel like, but that's not fair. Like I know I shouldn't have done it, but anything below this is not fair. Kasi parang like naninahimik ako.
They should get what's coming to them, diba?
That's true, that's true. Pero yun nga, I mean, of course, to the people listening, it's not like we are encouraging violence naman. But I get it. Ano ko lang, ito lang sa akin lang to. Parang like inside of me, the seeker of justice in me is really offended. Kasi nga parang like, how is that fair? Why am I still at fault when 100% this would not have happened
if they didn't provoke or if they didn't. Yeah, for sure.
If you just left me alone.
Parang I told you this before, right? Like I actually stabbed somebody in grade school with a ball pen. And I mean, normally that's grounds for like expulsion or whatever. But because of the circumstances, they were like, okay, you know, we'll let you off with a warning. Kasi nga, they knew that guy was like a serial bully. Like I wasn't the only one that he was bullying. Like he would bully literally everybody in the class.
My God, isa pa yan sa mga pet peeve ko. Ultimate pet peeve when it comes to shows. Yung ganyan sila kasama. Pero nandun pa rin sila. Hindi alam ng mga tao. Di ba ito at least na-discover nila na this guy is perpetual trouble. Let's not punish Gino kasi, you know, this guy is trouble. Di ba yung mayroong mga shows na
the ones who get away with it.
Na sa paningin ng lahat ang babait nila.
Pero
ikaw na victims nila.
Yung tunay na Mean Girls. Di ba? Like the real Mean Girls.
I have experienced this more as an adult. Yung horrible people.
Because they get better at hiding it.
But they are so popular. And yung mga may gusto sa kanila are people I like.
Will run to their...
and matino sila. So I can't even like tell them na parang like, huy, yung taong
ganyan yan,
gusto nyo, ang sama ng ugali niyan. I can't even. Because, you know, the people I like them.
That's exactly what I tell people in Boys Night Out when they keep asking me about you. I'm always like, alam mo, masama talaga ugali niyan, pero porket Golden Dove winner siya, ganyan. Porket ilang taon na siya nasa industriya, hindi niya ako papaniwalaan. Mukha kasi siyang meek, mukha mabait, pero totoo lang masama talaga ugali niyan.
Sabi ko, ang hirap. Sa'yo. Walang maniniwala.
Just because you're popular, Chico, doesn't mean you can always get away with it.
I mean, why would you say that? I mean, why would you say that? Masama ugali ko.
Bakit yung mo parang lola? Instead of it being like a cutesy Oni-chan kind of thing. Parang lolo
I mean, why would you say that? I mean, may balloons pa. Pero pa lumabas na balloons. I can't.
Oh man. But please, if you can find it in yourself to actually watch the remaining because it gets
You know
really good, and it gets really sad, and it gets really like,
Okay.
oh my
Okay.
god, this is getting worse.
Full disclosure.
Uh-huh.
The reason I will probably watch it
Hmm.
is because of si Sporty Kung Fu guy.
Si MMA guy,
Si MMA guy.
naturally magaling lumaban na medyo may Park Seo-joon vibes.
You
Di ba
know
medyo
why?
may PSG
No,
vibes?
because he's my favorite.
Okay.
He my favorite K-drama of all time. He was there, 25-21. Siya yung second
That's
lead.
right.
Siya yung
Okay,
second
okay,
lead.
yeah. No wonder.
Yung
I'm like, I know this guy.
jowa nung parang arch rival nung bida na
Ah.
eventually naging barkada silang apat.
Yeah.
Remember that? Di ba
Yeah.
si Kim Terry or something?
Kim Terry,
Di ba ano sila fencer. So
yeah.
yung main niya, yung main parang
Pero pag fencer talaga, nagsaspadahan talaga. No?
Padang kasi yung hindi. Di ba yung arch rival niya? Tapos siya, yung in love niya, yung si Beckinson or something, whatever. Tapos, yung arch rival naman niya, ito naman yung parang jowa, di ba?
Yeah.
Ito, si MMA guy. Yun, kaya nauna sabi ko, why is this guy so familiar? I know this guy. Tapos, it's the best friend. It's the barkada. It's the,
pero,
medyo ganun din yung role niya dun sa 25-21.
Pero actually, dito ako bilib dito sa show na to. Because for me, there's no eye candy in it for me. Like, I don't find anyone attractive in the show. But I still watched it, like, as in, consumed it in 2 days. And apparently, it's based off of like, kind of like a graphic novel, like a webtoon kind of thing.
Yeah. Usually mga webtoon yan eh.
Yeah, so do check it out. It's called Weak Hero. The first season just ended. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a second season because it did so well. Ayun, April 25 is the second season of Weak Hero.
Fine, I'll watch it.
Please watch it.
Meron kasi ako tinatapos pa na isa eh. Yun, yung next episode natin. Yun kasi parang tinatapos ko. Although yun nga, this one has less episodes kasi. Kaya nga pwedeng
isingit.
Oo.
Yeah. Okay. But anyway, of course, we want to thank our partners, the Pod Network Entertainment. You can check us out on social media, which I promise we'll post something there soon.
Can you please? I'm counting on you because I'm useless.
After Holy Week, trabahuin natin yan.
We promise.
We come back.
Alam nyo,
from the somber Holy Week, and we'll have...
Kung merong New Year's resolution, ito yung aming Holy Week resolution. Titino na talaga kami. Promise, guys.
So it's at OnlyFunPH, at Chico Garcia for him, at Gino.KillYouMore for me. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.